Hello kids, welcome back to my class. Hope you all have seen the video what I sent you last day. A new grammar lesson. Do you remember the name of that lesson? Yes, describing words. Hope you all have gone through it. So, today I will give you the notes of this lesson and we will discuss. Okay? Next I will make you do the grammar textbook exercises of this lesson. Okay children, are you ready? Yes. All of you please take your English notebook and grammar textbook. So children, please take a fresh page in your notebook. Okay? New page. And start writing the notes. Okay? You please write this name of the lesson. What it is? Describing words. You have to write it in the first line. Okay? Describing words. Do you know the spelling of these describing words? Yes. D-E-S-C-R-I-V-I-N-G. What it is? Describing. So, describing, D should be capital letter. Okay, first letter should be capital letter. Next words, W-O-R-D-S. W should be in capital letter. Okay, so name of our lesson is describing words. So, next I will give you the definition of what is a describing word. Okay, so in the next line, please write down this definition of this describing words. So, words that describe naming words are called describing words. Okay. So, in the next line, what you have to write? In the next line, you have to write down describing words are also known as adjectives. Describing words are also known as adjectives. So, that you have to write in the next line. Do you know the spelling of adjectives? A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E-S. Then put full stop. Please remember that at the end of the sentence you have to put full stop. Okay. So, first I give you definition. Then next point, it is also known as adjectives. Describing words are also known as adjectives. Then put full stop. Then next line you have to write some examples. Okay. So, write example like this. Then write down the example. Heavy bag. You know, heavy bag. You know the spelling of heavy? H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Heavy bag. Bag is a naming word. Heavy is the word used to describe this bag. So next one. In the next example you have to write. Next example you have to write in the next line. Brown hen. Brown, B-R-O-W-N. Hen, H-E-N. It's the color of the hen. No, hen is a naming word. So brown is an adjective or a describing word. Next example, pretty dress. Pretty means very beautiful, no? Pretty dress. Dress is a naming word. Pretty is the word. It's known as adjective. So next word, fresh fruits. What is the next word? Fresh fruits. Fruits are naming word. Fruits. Fruits is a naming word and fresh is a describing word. Okay. So you have to write down the definition. Then after writing that, next line you have to write describing words are also known as adjectives. Then after that, next line you have to start writing the examples. Okay, example. That should be line by line you have to write. Okay. So students, let's start writing the exercise. Give Roman number 1 on the margin. Please put Roman number 1 in the margin. Okay. So underline the describing words in the following sentences. So what you have to do, underline the describing words in the following sentences. You have to find out the describing words, then you have to underline. Okay children? So first question. So after writing this heading, you have to start writing the questions in the next line. Okay. After this heading, first you have to give this heading, then start writing the question in the next line. First question. I have a red bat. I have a red bat. Okay. So, here bat is a naming word, no? Red is a describing word. So, underline red bat. Okay? No, it is more about bat. Okay children? So, underline red, okay? Then put full stop also at the end of sentence. Each sentence you have to put full stop. Question number 2. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. So, sharp is the adjective. So, you have to underline it. Okay, sharp is the describing word. You have to just underline. Knife is sharp. Third question. Write down in the next line. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. So what is the describing word there? Number 4. So 4 sides. You know square. Okay. Square has how many sides? Yes, 4 sides. So 4 is the adjectives of number, no? 4 sides. So underline 4. Don't forget to put the full stop. Okay children? Next, fourth question. He is a good friend. He is a good friend. Friend is the naming word. Good is the describing word. Underline good. Okay. Fifth question. It was a heavy rain. So, what is the describing word in that question? Heavy. Underline heavy. Heavy rain. Okay. So, first exercise is over. So, after writing this, we can do the second exercise. Exercise number 2. Roman number 2. All of you please put Roman number 2 in the margin. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the suitable describing words from the box. So, what's our next exercise? Some words will be given in the box. You have to choose the correct word for the questions given below as answers. So, fill in the blanks with the suitable describing words from the box. Then, some words will be given. So, after writing this heading, you have to write the words in the next line and give it inside a box. Okay? So, words you can see here. What all words are there inside the box? So, say delicious. What it is? DELICIOUS. Next one. Huge. HUG. Delicious means very tasty. Huge, big. Blue, you know color. BLUE, blue. Nice, NICE. Kind, KIND. So question number 1. The sea is dash. You know what's the color of the sea? Inside the box. You can see the answer. What it is? The sea is blue. 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 So second question. So after writing first question number 1, you have to write it down in your notebook. Question number 2. An is a dash animal. An elephant is a huge animal. Huge means big. B-I-G, big. No. What's the spelling of huge? H-U-G-E. Huge. Next question. You are a nice girl. So you are a dash girl. Question number 3. You are a dash girl. Answer is nice. You are a nice girl. Put full stop at the end. Okay. So question number 4. Mom made dash cookies for us. Mom made dash cookies for us. What is the answer? Cookies dash cookies for us. What is the answer? Delicious, tasty. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. So last question. The king was a dash man. The king was a kind man. K-I-N-D. King was a kind man. So we have finished our notes. Okay, only 2 exercises are there. First one, underline the describing words, and next one, fill in the blanks with the suitable describing words given in the box. Okay. So all of you, please close your notebook and now get ready with your grammar textbook. Okay, children? Yes. All of you take your grammar text. So children, open page number 30. Lesson number 5, describing words. Read these sentences. She is an old woman. He is a short man. It is a huge building. This is a yellow skirt. Here you can see words such as old, short, huge, yellow in red color. All these words are known as describing words. So, describing words tells us more about a person, a place or a thing. They can be placed before the naming word or at the end of the sentence. The cat is Fluffy. Okay, Fluffy describes a cat. So, the kinds of describing words are also given below. So, we can do the next exercise number A. Circle the correct describing words. Question number 1. It is a dash day, sunny or black. Answer is given sunny. Second question. It is a dash knife, sharp or warm. Circle the correct describing word. The bird, third question. The bird has beautiful or happy wings. So choose the correct describing word. Okay? Correct describing word. Okay? Fourth question. Rita heard a sweet or tall song. So you have to find out the correct answer and circle it. Fifth question. He sat on the dash mat, brown or easy. He sat on the brown mat or he sat on the easy mat. Find out the answer and circle. Raja is wearing dash shoes, sad or muddy. Muddy means full of mud. Seventh one, the dash moon is shining in the sky, round or rectangular. Eighth one, we have dash fingers on each hand. We have dash fingers on each hand. Okay. So count, okay. So exercise A is over. Now exercise number B. Complete these sentences with the correct describing words from the box. Round, deep, wide, cold, soft, yellow, tiny, short. Tiny means very small. First question, answer is given. So you have to find out the answer from the box and write down the correct answer in the blanks given there. This is a soft feather. So first question, its answer is given. This is a soft feather. Second question, A dash watermelon is on the table. Third one, the dash bug crawls up the wall. Fourth one, the dash well is dry. Fifth one, that tree is full of dash mangoes. Find out the answer from the box, okay children? Sixth one, the boat crosses the dash river. Seventh one, Salma has dash hair. Eighth one, ice creams are dash and tasty. So exercise number B is over. Now next is exercise number C. Read this story. It's a story. Underline all the words that describe shape and size. Circle the words that describe color. So you have to underline the words that describe shape, size. Circle the words with the words that describe color. So its examples given. Rahul takes some flat green seeds from mother. Flat, okay. Why it's underlined? So it's already given in the question. Words that denotes shape and size should be underlined. Green is the color, so it's a circled. Okay. That's the small pumpkin seeds. Small is the size, so you have to underline. Pumpkin seeds in his grandfather's garden. He waters it every day with a red plastic can which has a long spout. Can, in his that boy's hand you can see a can. So what is the color of that can? Red color, red plastic one. It's can which has a long spout. You can see the spout in that can. It's a can with a long spout. After a few days, Rahul sees tiny green shoots growing out of the soil. He is very happy. He waters it more and waits for the plant to grow. So what? You read it and circle and underline those words as mentioned in the question. After a few weeks, there are little green leaves and the plant starts to spread over the square garden patch. Soon, Rahul sees tiny round orange pumpkins. Okay, we can move on to next paragraph. After some more time, Rahul and his grandfather pluck all the big orange pumpkins and carry them into the house. Rahul is happy that he has grown his first vegetable. So, exercise number C is over. So, what you have to do is that you have to read this story thoroughly, then find out the describing words that denotes shape and size, then also circle the words that describe color. Hope you all have understood. So rewrite the sentences with the opposite of the underlined words. Use the words in the box as clues. So find out the sentence answer from the box. Words given inside the box as cold, wet, short, short, easy, small, narrow, fast. So you have to write once again this sentence. Okay, rewrite this sentence with the correct answer. So please listen to the first example. Mr. Sharma lives on a large island. In the question, Mr. Sharma lives on a large island. In the question, large is underlined. So what you have to find? Opposite of large you have to find out from the box. So large opposite small. So Mr. Sharma lives on a small island. You have to write with the correct answer. So it's given. Mr. Sharma lives on a small island. See, we will do one more example. The question paper was difficult. Okay. So what is the opposite of that underlined word? Difficult opposite? Easy. The question paper was easy. Understand? Munira drinks hot milk every morning. Munira drinks hot milk every morning. What is the opposite of hot? Its opposite of hot is cold. So Munira drinks cold milk every morning. So fourth question onwards, you have to do it by yourself. Find out the answer from the box. Man walks very slowly. Fourth question, the man walks very slowly. Fifth one, Anu lives on the wide road near the park. Sixth question, the dry clothes were placed in the sun. Seventh question, Umesh is a tall boy. Eighth question, the orange tasted quite sweet. So underline words, opposite word you have to find out from the bracket and rewrite the sentence from that box. Okay, and then rewrite these sentences in the as answers. Okay children, we are winding up our class. So please do your exercises and copy the notes. Okay, bye.